Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make salmon in tomato sauce. For the ingredients, you're going to need salmon fillet, 1 bunch of cilantro, about 3 tomatoes, 1 onion. You will also need mushroom seasoning, some sugar, black pepper, and fish sauce. The first thing you're going to do is to take your onion, peel it, and then medium dice it. When you are done dicing it, put it in a bowl and set aside until ready to use. Make sure that you have washed your tomatoes, and then you are going to dice it as well. Go ahead and set aside. Also make sure to wash your cilantro and then go ahead and cut off the ends. You're going to slightly chop them. And then set aside. Now go ahead and take your salmon and pat dry it. And then you're going to decide how to cut your fillet. I'm just going to cut it down the middle so that I can have 2. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan on medium heat, and then go ahead and add the onions. Saute for about a minute. Then add in the tomatoes and saute for about another minute. Now you're going to add about a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of mushroom seasoning. Go ahead and mix to combine. Transfer the tomato sauce mixture to a bowl and then set aside. Using the same pan without cleaning it off, add a tablespoon of oil. Then put the salmon skin down. Cook the salmon on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes each. Check to make sure that the salmon is a golden brown color, and then you are going to put in the tomato sauce mixture back into the pan. Then get your chopped cilantro, and then you're going to spread it evenly on top of the salmon. And that's it. Go ahead and serve with a side of white rice. Enjoy!